Hello, my friends. As we know, English has been the most popular language in the world,
Yes, sir.
and English grammar is very much required to speak and write correct English.
Yes, sir.
So, as a reference, we are taking one of the best books, Essential Grammar in Use, published by Cambridge University Press UK. This book is designed for children and elementary students of English to enable them to understand the basic grammar topics. Today I am going to start unit number 25 and teach you how to use present continuous tense for the future in our day-to-day life. For example, what are you doing tomorrow? So, you should listen and watch this video carefully. Okay, well, let us get started now. Unit number 25. What are you doing tomorrow? Section A. They are playing tennis now. Today is Sunday. I am playing tennis tomorrow. He is playing tennis tomorrow. We use am, is, are plus ing. This format is used in present continuous tense for something happening now. For example, where are Tina and Helen? They are playing tennis in the park. Please be quiet. I am working. We also use am, is, are plus ing for the future, tomorrow, next week, etc. For example, Andrew is playing tennis tomorrow. I am not working next week. Section B. I am doing something tomorrow. It means I have arranged to do it. I have a plan to do it. For example, Sophie is going to the dentist on Friday. It means she has an appointment with the dentist. We are having a party next weekend. Are you meeting your friends tonight? What are you doing tomorrow evening? I am not going out tonight. I am staying at home. Section C. We use the present continuous I am staying, are you coming, etc. to say what somebody has arranged to do. I am staying at home this evening. Are you going out tonight? Lisa isn't coming to the party next week. But we use present simple, start, arrives, etc. for timetables, programs, trains, buses, etc. The train arrives at 7:30. What time does the film finish? Compare present continuous usually for people, present simple for timetables, programs, etc. I am going to a concert tomorrow. It's present continuous. The concert starts at 7:30. It's present simple. What time are you leaving? It's present continuous. What time does your train leave? It's present simple. Now it's time for exercises. 25.1. Look at the pictures. What are these people doing next Friday? Number 1. Andrew is playing tennis on Friday. Number 2. Richard is going to the cinema. Number 3. Rachel is meeting Dave. Number 4. Karen is having lunch with Will. Number 5. Sue and Tom are going to a party. 25.2. Write questions. All the sentences are future. Number 1. Are you going out tonight? Number 2. Are you working next week? Number 3. What are you doing tomorrow evening? Number 4. What time are your friends coming? Number 5. When is Lisa going on holiday? Now 25.3. Write sentences about yourself. What are you doing in the next few days? Number 1. I am staying at home tonight. Number 2. I am going to the theatre on Monday. Number 3. I am going away at the weekend. Number 4. I am playing basketball tomorrow. Number 5. I am meeting a friend this evening. Number 6. I am going to the cinema on Thursday evening. 25.4. Put the verb in the present continuous. He is leaving, etc. Or present simple. The train leaves, etc. Number 1. Are you going out tonight? No, I am too tired. Number 2. We are going to a concert tonight. It starts at 7:30. Number 3. Do you know about Sarah? She is getting married next month. Number 4. A. My parents are going on holiday next week. B. Oh, that's nice. Where are they going? Number 5. Sylvia is doing an English course at the moment. The course finishes on Friday. Number 6. There is a party tomorrow night, but I am not going. Number 7. I am going out with some friends tonight. Why don't you come too? We are meeting at Royal Hotel at 8 o'clock. Number 8. How are you getting home after the party tomorrow? By taxi? B. No, I can go by bus. The last bus leaves at midnight. Number 9. A. Are you coming with us to the cinema tonight? B. Yes. What time does the film begin? Number 10. A. What are you doing tomorrow afternoon? B. I am working. Now, this is the end of unit number 25. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. I appreciate it. Good luck. Happy learning. I will see you in my next video, unit number 26. Till then, bye bye.